Ever wondered how to make money from your YouTube shorts? Well, buckle up because today we dive into the nitty-gritty details of monetizing your content on this platform. You might want to have a pen and paper handy because this information is pure gold. The first order of business is joining the YouTube Partner Program. This is your golden ticket to start earning from your shorts. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, you can switch on monetization in your YouTube studio like a pro. Creating engaging, high-quality content is not just a nice-to-have. It's the backbone of your success. The goal here is to captivate viewers and make them crave more. Whether you're demonstrating your unique skills, expressing your passion, or riding the wave of trending topic, the key is to ensure your shorts are a cut above the rest. Once you've captured your audience's attention, it's time to tap into YouTube's monetization tools. Have you heard of the YouTube Shorts Fund? This program rewards creators based on their shorts performance, including views, engagement, and overall popularity. So the more compelling your content. But why stop there? You can also monetize your shorts by promoting and selling your own merchandise. Thanks to YouTube's merch shelf feature, you can display your branded products directly below your videos. So put your creative hat on, design merchandise that resonates with your audience, and watch those sales roll in. Lastly, let's not underestimate the power of sponsorships. Teaming up with brands that complement your content can be a game changer. You can reach out to potential sponsors directly or use platforms that bridge the gap between creators and brands to secure lucrative sponsorships. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to monetize your YouTube shorts. To recap, the recipe for success includes crafting engaging, top-notch content, joining the YouTube Partner Program, making the most of the Shorts Fund, selling merchandise, and landing sponsorships. If you found this video insightful, do hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest content. We value your support and can't wait to see you in the next video.